Welcome to the absentee owner, occupied, and vacancy filter. So these filters are pretty unique in fact that you can select owner occupied, where the owner lives in the property, and of course you can add the filter, and of course it'll update your count. You can do absentee only, and of course you can update that, and that'll only fill in the people that are not living in the property. In other words, they're probably renting it out, or really no preference. In other words, you can have both there. And you can see every time you add in the filter, the count is changing. Now, you can't just click on one of these and assume that it's in. You always have to click the add button here. All right, next is vacant. So if you want the house to be shown as USPS vacant, you can select that only you want the ones shown that are vacant. Of course, this will drastically reduce your overall. And of course, if you want to exclude any vacant address as well, that'll happen here. Now, of course, you can always click no preference. And of course, whenever you do actually select something, if you scroll down here into the occupant options, you can see that vacant is yes. And of course, you can always delete it here as well, and it'll readjust your count. So we'll just add it in as no preference. Trustee owner, in other words, this is in a trust. You can select only those that are in a trust, of course. You can exclude them. And it looks like for this particular counties or zip codes that we have, the count didn't change, so therefore it just doesn't, the data doesn't exist. Corporate owner, you can select only those that are owned by LLCs or corporations. Of course, that's going to drastically reduce what you have here, only 895 out of those that were selected. Or you can exclude it. You can go no preference. So however you want to handle it, that's the best way. So this is the overview of this. You can add in all of these, of course. They do act in an and fashion, meaning one will, each will filter out the list and filter it more and more. All right, have a great day.